Hello everyone, myself Dhruv Gupta and I am a reporter from Kaltak News. We have a very special guest Kangna Ranawat and who is a very talented and many iconic star. So let's take an interview and start.
Hello, sir.
How are you ma'am?
I'm fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Thanks to give me your valuable time and can I ask some general question?
Of course, you ask.
Okay, so how were your journey?
My childhood journey was tough because that time I left my house in 16 years old because I wanted to become an actor. So that time my parents were strict and but my parents were strict but they didn't give me to not they didn't not get me a freedom just like my parents strict but uh, they were me a fly, they give me a wings. So that time I left my 16 years old at home, from home to Delhi. I went to Delhi and join a career, start my Bollywood journey. So my childhood journey was very tough.
So, how many challenges did you face in your journey?
My I faced a lot of challenges in my childhood journey because I left my home in 16 years old. So that time I was very small and I am not inspired any personal. I just wanted to become an actor. So my mind is thought I wanted to become an actor and I choose in acting line. So that I have no formal degree just like acting's degree. So my father wanted to become me a doctor but I'm not follow her instruction. So that time I choose actress line. So I have many lots of problem just like I live in alone in Delhi and after that I went to Mumbai, from Delhi to Mumbai. So that time I have many faces problems
We know very well you are a member of parliament. So, why did you join parliament?
because I joined the Bollywood line 2006 and my first movie is released 2006 is Gangster. After that I gave a many films and many proposals for films, but that time I'm not sitting up chair on parliament. I enhance my problem just like I enhance my village problem, my city's problem. When I saw my Himachal Pradesh, when I saw my village and when I saw my city, so that time I faced many problems. So I enhance my voice, I voice my for parliament. So that time I choose parliament.
Thank you. Thanks to give me an answer. And we know very well you made many movie and many um, um, famous movie. And can you ask which movie is your favorite?
Just like it's your question, mothers choose a liked child, but I many films I made and I produced many films just like Manikarnika. I directed in this film, but just like my first film is Gangster 2006. So according to me, it's good for me and my personal experience in that when I joined first film. So my I was made a journey and I was very personal movie in Gangster.
So, how to inspire in your life?
I'm from Himachal Pradesh in a very small town Mandi. So that time no anybody, no anyone. He just an actors in this line in my hometown. So that time I choose. I'm very stabling girls and I realize my hometowns was not anybody is a not actresses. So I choose I wanted to become a actor, but my father's asked to me, beta, you wanted me to become a doctor, but I'm not follow my parents instruction because I wanted to become an actor. So that time I choose I wanted to become an actor. So that time he's a very curious problem in that time, but he's sometimes happy for me.
So, if you got a chance to go to Bollywood industry, so will you go?
Firstly, I didn't give up, and in this time, I'm not give up the Bollywood journey. I running my in this time I joined Parliament, but my last movies when I released in 1 year ago, its name is Emergency. So that time, my opposition party, just like Congress, we noticed that, and he substitute for my movies Emergency, so he didn't release it. I heard about it, many problems, but he jealous me. My opposition party is jealous me, so it didn't released, and he banned my film. It's a personal about me because I joined the parliament of opposition party, just like BJP. So that time he very jealous, and he very furious for me because I stand about many powerful point, just like women and child development in my hometown, in any cities. So that time my opposition party was banned in my film. But I'm not if I got a chance to come on Bollywood industry, so definitely I would made films, and I for absolutely I produced and I made a own film, because I directed my own film, just like Manikarnika. So if I got a chance to I would come on the again in Bollywood line.
So, we know very well you are a very iconic star. So, if you got a chance to for make a movie, so which actor with whom will you make movie?
It's a very curious questions, just like firstly I like it many actors, just like Salman Khan, Sarukh Khan, Ritik Roshan, but if I got a chance to make a movie with so I make a movie with Salman Khan. Yes.
So, why did you choose Salman Khan? Because he is a very popular actor. So, why did you choose?
uh, it's not a personal about me, but sometimes I choose because he's a very powerful, not a powerful, but he's a very kindness personality in Salman Khan, so I choose Salman Khan.
Okay, I know Salman Khan is very personality good. So thanks to join us and thanks to everyone for giving me your time. So thank you.